자, 트리샤와 함께하는 한국말 연습 Learning Korean with Tricia. Tricia's effort. Unit 5, we are going to study Tricia. You know, this or that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Same thing. We also Korean language also have that kind of a thing. Okay. So we say 지시 대명사, like a demonstrative pronoun. Okay. 이것은. Follow me. 이것은. 저것은. So what's the difference of this and that? This is close, that is far, right?
Yeah.
Same thing. This 이것은 close, 저것은 far. Comparatively, okay? Got it. You know, you go to market, you can ask 얼마예요? Follow me. 얼마예요? 얼마예요? 이것은 얼마예요? How much is this? Like that. Simple, right? 저것은 얼마예요? Simply we say 얼마예요? But we don't know, you know, there are a lot of things. In this case, you know, we say specifically that. How much is that, right?
Okay.
Yeah, 저것은 얼마예요? Good job. Same thing. 이것은 무엇이에요? Same thing. 무엇이에요? What is that? What is this? What is this? 이것은 무엇이에요? What is that? 저것은 무엇이에요? Okay? So let's practice. 무엇이에요? 이것은 무엇이에요? 저것은 무엇이에요? Yeah, Tricia is following me really amazingly well. Okay, everybody. I hope you guys do the same thing as much as Tricia does. All right? Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.